The DEEPOWER A2 electric bicycle is a high-performance e-bike designed for adults seeking adventure, versatility, and convenience. Equipped with a 750W motor, 1000W peak, this fat tire mountain bike delivers powerful performance, effortlessly reaching speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. Paired with a 48V 20AH battery, it offers an impressive range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for long commutes, outdoor exploration, or off-road adventures. Built with durability in mind, the DEEPOWER A2 features a lightweight aluminum frame that ensures strength and longevity while maintaining portability. The bike's suspension fork absorbs bumps and shocks, providing a smooth and comfortable ride even on rough terrains. Combined with a comfortable saddle, it ensures riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. One of the standout features of the DEEPOWER A2 is its foldable design, allowing for easy storage and transport. Whether you're carrying it in your car trunk or storing it in a small apartment, the compact design adds unmatched convenience. Safety is enhanced with LED headlights and taillights, ensuring visibility during nighttime rides, while the rear rack provides practical space for carrying cargo, groceries, or gear. This electric bike is perfect for a variety of uses, from commuting through urban streets to exploring rugged mountain trails. Its robust motor and long-lasting battery make it a reliable choice for outdoor enthusiasts and eco-conscious riders alike. The DEEPOWER A2 is also an environmentally friendly way to get around, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional transportation methods. Whether you're navigating city roads, enjoying leisure rides, or tackling challenging off-road paths, the DEEPOWER A2 delivers a seamless blend of power, comfort, and functionality. Its combination of advanced features, durable construction, and thoughtful design makes it an excellent choice for riders seeking adventure and practicality in their daily lives.